Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about the Reiki second level. As you have completed 21 days after the first level of attunement, now you are eligible to do the second Reiki level. Because they doing 21 days practice after the first degree attunement is mandatory. Because only then your body is prepared for the second level attunement. Same as in the physical world also, if you pass one class, then only you are promoted to the second class. So today we are going to discuss about the various processes which we do in the second level of Reiki. As first level is for the physical health only, and that too by the touch. You have to touch some specific organ, then Reiki will flow to that very specific organ. And if you want to do Reiki to the other person, you have to touch the person with your hands. So this limitation comes sometimes in our life because we don't want to touch everybody, and if we are not professional, then also it becomes a limitation. But for professional who use Reiki as a profession, they can use as a touch therapy. There is no hindrance for them. So today when we'll do the second level of Reiki, what will happen, we will be able to learn how to do the Reiki without touching the person. Means by the distance you can do the healing to the others. Distance may be the physical distance, person is sitting nearer to you, or in the some other city or some other state or some other country. Distance can be any distance. It's not the specific in some kilometers. It's not like that. And second thing is, distance may be of the time. You can give Reiki to your future events. Suppose after 2 months, 3 months, you are going to have some interview, some exam, some celebration. Your children marriage celebration is there. Your children education is there. So whatsoever future plans you are having, you can give Reiki to those events. Same way, you can give Reiki to your past events as well, because many of the past events are stuck in our mind. Some fight has been happened, some parents have said something to us and we are feeling bad, some thoughts are coming because of some previous job, previous colleagues and the seniors and juniors. So much of clutter we have gathered in our mind. So when we do second degree, we do cleaning of our mind. As on Deepavali, we do the cleaning of our house very minutely. We clean each and everything. So in second level, we clean our mind with the help of Reiki. So Reiki is the broom or the duster or the wiper, whatsoever you can say. And with this, you will clear up your mind. And the third thing is, with the help of Reiki second level, your power will increase. Like if you have $100 in your pocket, you have that much capacity to bought the thing, to buy the things in the market. And if you have $400 in your pocket, your capacity of buying the things will be increasing. Same way, this whole universe is a market, is a shopping mall. We get what we want, but what we need to do, we have to pay for it. Nothing is free in this world. We feel this one thing is free with the other one, there is some product is free. No, the cost is already included in the product with which it is given free. Like if you get 200 gram tube, you pay for 200 gram and 50 gram is given free. So already 250 gram cost is built in that 200 grams. So nothing is free in this universe. If we think that we have taken some privilege of someone, but we have to pay in one or the another way. If we pay it consciously, it doesn't trouble us, it doesn't give any hurt to us. But if it's taken forcefully, then we feel bad. So we should always be ready to pay for it what we use in this world. So in second level, you will have 4 times more energy than the first level you achieve. So overall 16 times more energy you will be having than the normal person who is not attuned to the Reiki energies. So how to use this second level energy? We'll discuss here, and we will use Reiki symbols here. Like we have swastik symbol, we have Om symbol, there are various sacred symbols. Same way, the Reiki symbols are very sacred and secret, and it's part of Reiki tradition that they be kept confidential. Now you say these are available on the internet, we can see, we can read about it, but these symbols learning through internet won't work until and unless those symbols are embedded into your body by the Reiki master in the process called attunement. You won't be able to use. Though you will be able to learn about their usage, their benefit, and all other about the symbols, but you will not get benefit out of these symbols. So these are only revealed to those who have taken second degree Reiki and received the attunement that empowers them. However, their nature, purpose, usage can be discussed without violating this trust. So the attunement is actually which empowers the symbol so that they will fulfill their intended purpose. Without the attunement, the symbol don't seem to do much. This has been tested many times. Students are given the symbols to memorize before the attunement process. Many are psychic and some healers are also there who are able to see and feel the Reiki energies. All report the similar effects. Before the attunement, the symbol doesn't seem to have influence on the Reiki energies. And after the attunement, the effect is definitely there. So, by this experiments and experience, we can say that after the attunement only that these symbols work. Reiki symbols are transcendental in nature. Dr. Yusui, when did his sadhana of 21 days, then he received these symbols from the universe. So Reiki then affecting only the subconscious mind as most symbols do. The Reiki symbols connect directly to the God consciousness, and whenever a Reiki symbol is used by someone who has second degree Reiki, the God consciousness, or what we say Ray, responds by changing way the Reiki energy functions. This process has been created by a divine covenant or the sacred agreement between the God and those who is using the second degree Reiki. A person doesn't have to be in an altered state of mind for the symbols to work. They work automatically every time they are used. They are like the keys that open the doors to higher level of awareness or the manifestation. These symbols must be drawn and used correctly to activate them, and Reiki symbols have their own consciousness, and it's possible to meditate on them and receive the guidance on how to use them directly from the symbols themselves. This often results in people discovering new ways to use the symbols. Now, one thing we are very much aware of that the cave drawings were our first symbols. Symbols are a way of linking the conscious mind to the subconscious or deeper into the unconscious. We seem to feel the symbols rather than reading or thinking them. A different part of the brain operates when contemplating, drawing, or using a symbol. Once again, I will say you don't have to be in any state of altered state of consciousness when you are using these type of symbols. All you have to do is to draw it once physically or mentally and say it verbally or mentally 3 times. Now during this class, you will receive the attunements that will be balance the left and right brain hemispheres. We say yin and yang balance, Shiva and Shakti you can say. Also you will receive these symbols to activate the multiplied energy, mental clearing and do the absent healing, which is most important. We always want the other person should not do what we are doing, because many of the issues we are having, the person who is sitting to us, who is living with us, to whom we are working with. So we want to do the absent healing. With second level energies, you can do the absent healing. So these symbols should be treated as secret and should not be shared with anyone who has not been prepared and has not been initiated into second degree Reiki. If you say that because on internet it's available, if we share with someone, what will happen? So my dear friends, here comes the karma theory. If someone has revealed on the internet, it's his karma. He is going to face the consequences of the same. When it's a parampara, when it's a tradition not to share, it means not to share. So at least you don't share when I am telling you not to share it intentionally. And you keep your second level book also as a secret. Don't share. Yesterday I taught Reiki to a family. All the family members has taken the Reiki. So there is no issue if they keep their book anywhere, because husband, wife, and both of children has taken the Reiki. So there is no need to be secret about the symbols. But the others in the families or in the groups where others are not having second level Reiki, you keep your book as a secret. As you keep your jewelry, your money, your certificates as a sacred place and a secret place, you can keep your Reiki book. And if you tell your family members, your children not to open these books, they won't. So the second degree Reiki consists of a set of three symbols with a distinct vibration of the highest spiritual implication when utilized properly. And the symbols are drawn either with the hand or with the third eye. We'll practice it. As the name of the symbols are spoken either loudly or silent, it's up to you. So every time the enactment of the Reiki symbol or symbols occur, unseen forces are activated. So the degree of the power of activation depends on many things, including the clarity of the practitioner as well as the ability of the client to accept the energy if you are giving Reiki to the other person. So all the symbols can be used in hands-on and in distance practices. Hands-on, as you are doing in first level, so you will draw all the symbols on your hands and then you will do the Reiki of your full body. And if you can touch the other person, you will draw all the symbols on your hands and you will do Reiki to the other person. This is the one way. The second thing is with the distance healing, mean you will use these symbols, you will draw these symbols with your third eye. So the hand positions in Reiki 2 are exactly the same as they were in the Reiki 1. The only difference is the drawing of the symbol on the body with the finger or the palm of the dominant hand. Suppose either many ways you can increase your energies now. You can draw the symbols on your hands. You can draw the symbol on the organ where you want to do the Reiki. So double will be the Reiki. Or symbol is on your palm also, and symbol will be on the knee also if you want to give Reiki to your knee. And the third thing is you can draw the symbol with your third eye and that you can descend to your knee also. So with the three ways you can do Reiki when you have the second level attunement. So you can draw with your hand or you can draw with your third eye. The drawing of the symbol may be done with the finger directly on the body as I told you, or with the finger or on the palm about an inch above the body, like this, if you don't want to touch. Say the name of the symbol 3 times while you are drawing the symbol, then continue sending the energy through the use of the Reiki hand positions. So in this, what I have discussed just now, I have clubbed the Reiki symbols with the Reiki hand positions. You will continue to do your 21 positions, then 21 days which you have done 24 positions for 3 minutes at each and every position. Same way you will draw the symbols on both of your hands. You will draw the symbols on the specific organs where you are doing the Reiki, and with the help of third eye also you will draw the symbol on the specific organs. So 3 ways you will now get to do the Reiki. So remember from Reiki 1 class that when channeling energy, the fingers of the hand should be tightly closed to focus and direct that energy, because energy comes from the center of your palm. So first symbol is the power symbol. We'll discuss about the power symbol. You notice all around you are the spiraling nature of the universe, and we live on a planet in a spiraling galaxy. Everything is moving in the galaxy. Hurricanes, tornadoes, weather patterns show a spiraling force. Even the snail, if you have seen, and shell creatures, they repeat the spiraling pattern. So in humans, the spiral are experienced in the DNA and the RNA that make up our very cellular structure. And so the first symbol of the Reiki to Reiki second level shows its spirals, as you can see in your books. So this symbol should be used as a command. Command, we know we give someone, okay, take this $10 and go to market and bring it. So this is a command. So when we want to give Reiki the command, the first very symbol is to be used. It literally commands and calls in the multiplied energy from Mother Earth and the Spirit. The symbol draws energy from the universal source and activates the other two symbols. So it's always used first. It directs and focuses the power. The first part of the symbol, the name is the Cho. So Cho is the curving sword making a place which we say Ku, and penetrating where there is nothingness called Re. The transcendental spirit, the power, the essence we can see. So this symbol increases the power in any form. The left hand spine, which you have seen in the photo, it activates the immune system and it creates a space, a type of disruption that allows the healing energies to enter that very specific place where you will draw this first symbol. It's used for protection. It will clear your home, your car, even your workspace and surrounding your physical body. And it's used to clear the energy in a room by lifting or dispersing any negative energy or vibration. Then it's used to neutralize the chemicals in the water, in the air, or you make food healthier when you use this symbol. This symbol can also be used to clear the sick room or even the rooms in a hospital. And it can be sent along with the letters or the application forms or the appointment letters or with your resume you are going to submit. You can draw this symbol on those papers and you can submit. And it can be sent along with the any of the gifts you are exchanging with your friends. So you are giving positive energy for that. Sometimes we buy with so much effort a gift for someone, we give, but I have the same thing earlier also. I don't like it, I don't prefer it. And at that time, we also feel squeezed. He doesn't like or she doesn't like what I brought for him. So what we should do? We should draw the symbols and then we gift. So it will be accepted happily by the person. So drawing the symbol directly on the body brings healing energy to that place. As most of you were telling that they were unable to do the back positions because it's a bit difficult. So now what you will do, with your third eye, you will draw the symbols on the back and the energy will go to your back. So you need not to touch your back. Again, I will remind you, always say the symbol name 3 times while you mentally or physically draw the symbol. The symbol can be drawn in your hands before you begin any work. You cook, you do any file work, you do your laptop work, anything you work, before that you put symbol on your both the hands. So use this symbol to sandwich the other two. Begin with the use of first symbol, 3 times say its name, then either both the symbols again, second symbol and third symbol, and end with the use of again the first symbol, the par symbol. So par, relationship symbol, then distance symbol, then again the par symbol we can use. The par symbol is used to increase the power of Reiki. It can also be used to seal the space around the client and prevent the healing energies from leaking away. This can be seen physically and appears at times a box of white light, or other times the sphere of golden light surrounding the client. And it can be used anytime while giving a treatment, but is especially effective if used at the beginning or to increase the power and at the end of the sealing the healing energies. So I always advise that whenever you do the Reiki, draw first symbol, then end also with the first symbol. So healing energies will get sealed when you put the power symbol at end also. The power symbol can be used to clear a room of negative psychic energy and set it with the positive light and white light, making it a sacred place. Like sometimes we have arguments with others at a workplace, at a home, or anywhere else, then if it is happening, you can clear the room instantly with this power symbol. It can be used to protect yourself, your car, your laptop, your home, your children, or anything you want to protect. Because Reiki works on all levels. The protection it provides is all on all the levels, not only physical level, mental level, emotional level, spiritual level, physical level, of course. So because Reiki works on all level, the protection it provides is always on all the levels. And it includes the protection from any physical harm, any emotional harm, protection from verbal, emotional confrontations, arguments, and from any psychic attacks. So keep yourself protected with the first power symbol. So this is about first symbol.